Hey y'all, welcome to the Box Tricks. In this video, I'm going to explain how to install our TBT app on a Fire Stick. If this is your first time checking us out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, that way you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And if this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and don't forget to drop us a comment. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to scroll over to settings. You want to click down and you want to scroll over to My Fire TV. Select it. Go to developer options and you must have ADB debugging turned on and apps from unknown sources turned on. If you don't turn those on, this is not going to download. All right, so if you have done that on your remote, there is a home button. Hit the button that has a house on it. It's going to take you back to the Amazon home screen. Now, we do need the app called Downloader. If you don't know how to download that app, or if you don't have it, there will be a link in the video description below that tells you how to install Downloader. But if you already have Downloader, go to Downloader, and we need to go ahead and open it up. All right, so once it opens up, it's normally not going to have a link in there, but this is the link that you will need to download our TBT app. It must be entered in correctly. If it is not, it is not going to download. You will get an error message. So go ahead and pause the video, enter the link in, and then when you're ready, unpause it, and then select go. All right, so now that you've selected go, just give it time to download. Once it's downloaded, it's going to prompt you to install. All right, so now go ahead and select install and just bear with the process of it installing. Okay, so once it is done installing, go ahead and select done. Now you want to select delete, and you want to select delete again. So on your Fire Stick remote, go ahead and press the home button. We're going to go back to the Amazon home screen, and I'm going to walk you through on how to bring the TBT app out to the home screen. All right, so go ahead and click down, select your apps and channels, and scroll all the way over to the right until you get right here. Go ahead and select see all. From here, you're going to scroll down until you get to the TBT app. All right, don't select it. Just make sure that it pops out. On your remote, you have a button with 3 horizontal lines. You want to go ahead and select it. And in the lower right-hand corner, you want to select move to front. So now this application is going to be moved to your Amazon home screen. So you can hit the backup button or you can hit the home button. All right, from here, once it's installed, you'll need to open up the app and put in your login credentials. When you sign up for a subscription, you receive your email with your login credentials, and it must be typed in exactly how you receive it. Now, there are a few things that I want to mention when you're using a Fire Stick. This device does not have expendable memory, okay? So you cannot use the record function, because if you do, you're going to fill up all of the memory that this tiny little Fire Stick has. You really want to purchase or invest in a dedicated device, such as an Android box, to do your streaming. You also will need to go into your settings, and there will be a video in the link below that will explain how to go into your settings, and you need to clear your cache and your data daily. This is going to help the app run much more efficient. Interested in purchasing a better device an Android box, you can visit us at theboxtrix.com. We do have boxes there. And if you purchase a box, you will get our new app installed on it. So if you found this video helpful, please again give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.